Hey, good morning everybody. Stockguy22 again. Want to do a little follow-up video to the last one I just posted. It's June 6th, just after 9 o'clock in the morning. Want to show you the E-mini chart, okay, the futures. Okay, just going to zoom that out a bit. As you can see, we actually had run up quite nicely this morning into the 8 o'clock. We had gone up to that 1300 area, which is a pretty psychological resistance point. Okay, then we sold off again as the numbers came out into 8:30, but we did hold up pretty good above that 1290. So almost at the early morning lows. Okay, you can see a nice tweezer action that formed there, and we're above 1292 right now. Okay, this is actually not bad. We did push up a little bit higher, so the markets were on track to be much higher this morning. Okay, with that push up. Here's you can see yesterday where we had closed at, and we had gone up quite nicely through the through the night there. Okay, so overnight we had gone up quite nicely, right up to that 1300 area. Okay, so nice uptrend, and even on this dip, it's actually not a bad spot. Okay, so that's for the E-minis. Okay, so again, watch that previous video I did. And you can see what I was thinking about for the markets, how they were bottoming out. There's a good sign that we're pushing higher this morning. Apple was also higher this morning in pre-market, as you can see here. Okay, we had gone up to almost 570 again, natural resistance level, where it should be. And we dropped right back almost at yesterday's highs. Okay. And found support there, so around that 565. So we wanted to be above 565, which we were, okay, through the morning, and once we can get above 570, then we can get that 580, 590 area that I was talking about. Okay. Another one here that we can quickly review here. Here's Facebook. It was also up this morning. As you see, it got over that 26 area, which was resistance. Yesterday we had closed underneath 26 yesterday. Okay, as you can see, we're on a big downtrend, but a nice bull shape that was forming. Okay, so that's a good sign. If we can get above that 2650, should get back up to where I entered, just above 27, and we can get that push up to those fib levels that I was talking about. So again, it also retraced with the markets this morning, the futures. Okay, but it's above that 26, which should be support. So if it can stay above 2590, 26 area, to me that's a good sign. Okay, and it could be the day that it's turning around as well. Okay, let's look at oil really quickly. Oil had gone over that 85 area that I was talking about. Okay, as you can see, yesterday was resistance. Through the night, came down a bit, pushed right back up over 85, retraced again with the futures this morning, okay, after hitting just over that 85.65, and also bottomed out. So as you can see, nice tweezer action that had formed just under that 84 area, 84.80 area, okay, and we're trying to test back up to 85. To me, these are all good signals that we're seeing this morning. So even though we sold off from the earlier highs, that's not a bad, not bad action that we're seeing. Here's the euro. I didn't review the euro on the video yesterday, but let me show you that as well. That's been pretty volatile. Here's the daily chart. As you can see, it's been going back and forth, trying to bottom out just under that 123.5 area. Tested towards 123. Push back up. 125 has been a major level. You can see straight down how it's retraced. Some thought that it could go down to even that 119, 120 or even lower. Okay, but so far it is bottoming out. You can see a nice, let me show you on here, nice V-shaped bounce starting to form. The key will be that 125. So I know this morning there was some talk maybe the U.S. might get involved with trying to help Europe out. Okay, but as you can see here, whatever ends up happening, you can see a nice little V-shaped bounce. And every time we've had a V-shaped bounce, it usually gets some nice continuation up. Okay, sort of like what we had here. Now, it is all going to be dependent on news, but what you can see that is looking nice is, look at this, nice little tweezer action down here. Nice little hammer candle that I formed. We are at resistance at that VWAP area, that 125. Above that point, you can see might not push up as much, maybe 126 and change. But above that, there's not much resistance to the upside, okay, if it starts to get momentum. So just understand that this is bottoming out too from the looks of the chart, and a nice V shape forming. Okay. So I thought I'd share that chart as well. And I think that was about it on these. Yeah, I think that's about it. So I just thought I'd do a little follow-up on that. Again, if you want to see the different stocks that I trade day to day, you can join our group at Stockguy22.com. All our premium members get my trades in real time, as well as charts that I'm buying. So the ones I'm going to be looking to buy, I'll usually post them ahead of time, or just right when I'm buying. I'll post the charts up, but the trades go through in real time, okay, on our private feed. So again, join our group if you're interested. You can also even join so you're aware of these type of videos when they're up, and future webinars, which we're planning a lot for this year. Okay, enjoy your day, and hope you have some good trading. Talk to you soon.